Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall Winget from Windows step by step. Winget is Microsoft Windows package manager that allows you to install applications using command lines. But in some cases, you might want to remove it from your system. So let's see how to uninstall it easily. First, press Windows key plus I. It will going to open your settings. And then simply click on the app section over here. And then simply click on installed apps. After that, you can simply find app installer over here. So if you scroll down a little bit, here we're going to find out Windows Package Manager source over here. So if you click on the right mouse button and then simply click on uninstall, click on uninstall. And now it's installed. Very simple. So now you know how to remove Winget from Windows quickly and easily. If you ever want Winget again, you can simply reinstall App Installer from the Microsoft Store. There have a video I made. You can simply check it out if you want to install it another time. So here is my quick question for you. Do you prefer installing application using Winget commands or downloading them manually from the website? Let me know your preference in the comment section. Thank you so much again. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.